Hi guys, just going to swap the motor again on the Maisto Extreme. I keep calling it Maisto Extreme, it's Maisto Extreme Beast. This is the new one that I've got. This is the existing one, and I was talking about the brass gear, that this one's a 9-pin and the one that was on there is an 8-pin. Well, I think you can quickly see that there's a significant difference in the size there. There's no way that one's going to mesh with the same gear that that one meshes with. So I'm going to have to swap them over. Get my gear puller out and pull that one off and swap them. I'm not going to do a full tear down and strip out the gearbox as part of the video. I've done that already. Well, I've got to say, getting that pinion gear off there, even with a proper pinion gear puller, was extremely hard work. I even heated it in the gas flame to try and loosen it up a bit. So that was hard work getting that off. Now I've got to get the other one off the original motor and swap them over. Well, that's the new motor. I've soldered the wires directly onto the edge of the brushes. Don't think that's going to be very robust, but at least we are connected. I've got the motor back in there. I think we may have a different problem this time. I think we've got a much lower revving motor. Question is, has it got more power or less power? We'll find out when we get the wheels back on. Well, the good news is it's back together. But I've got a suspicion it's slower than before. Still, the motor is in, so we'll have to go and try it somewhere. Well, I don't think I'll go rushing out to the park to play with it. I think it's about half the original speed now. So, well, it was a successful motor swap, but I think that motor that I've chosen there, it could be too high a voltage, so it may only be running on sort of half power. I can't remember, it may have been a 12, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a 12 volt motor, and the most we've got in there is 7.5 volts, isn't it? Because it's a 2S battery in there. I suppose I could try putting a 3S in there. Probably blow everything up, but yeah. Something to think about.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.